Hey guys, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Club. Name change coming up soon. Today we are in Family Dollar. We are doing our 5 off of 25 scenario deal. I just want to make sure that we have all the things we're supposed to have. So 5 off 25 scenario deal. One is for 31st only, Halloween, and then the other one, you gotta tweak it to what you need it to be for that newspaper that's coming out. Okay, so we're gonna start off with what we are getting. If you have this $3 coupon off the Purex, use that. That'll be $3 off. Okay, I do not have that coupon, but it's still running. That's why I'm telling you. Now I am going to also grab a Purex because that is on mine. $3.25. It's really $1.95, and they're giving you a dollar coupon, so this make it 95 cents. Now we're gonna grab one Vicks Vapor Cool. These are $2. We have $1.50 digital coupon for it. Okay, that's what you. Oh, you can get that one too, guys. That's a good one. Ain't that good? That's a big one. So let's go do the game, which I already got the deal in my bag, but it disconnected, so I gotta redo it. So you're gonna do a Moonlight Madness. If you do one Moonlight Madness, then it's a separate coupon from the other games. It still gives you $2 off, but it's a promotion for Moonlight Madness. So grab one of these at $3.95. And we're gonna grab one game dryer sheet, 105 count at $3.95, and it's also a $2 off digital coupon going with that. So Gang has a big promotion going on. Let's go to the next one. Okay, you're gonna get either a Fresh Splash or original Gang coupon, and you're gonna use the $2 off coupon that came with that. Okay. Then you're gonna grab one Gang Fling at $4.85 down to $3.95, and it's also a $2 off coupon. So let's see, what do we have? Okay, one more thing, one more. Okay, Arm & Hammer also has a promotion. Okay, these are $3.95. They're giving a $1 off coupon, making it $2.95. So grab one of these. But I'm gonna tell you a secret, guys. I would get the big one, 61 to 75 ounces. This is the big one, and pay the same price. Dollar General also has a good deal on these, but be looking out for my Dollar General scenario video. So let's see what we have. Okay, this is what you should have. Mix and matching these two. Just make sure you have enough to make this complete. If you do not, grab one more of these and use a paper coupon if you have it. Okay, so here you go. Or I'm gonna give you some more coupons at the end of this video that you could use at your own risk. So we have a regular Gang, we have a Moonlight Breeze, we have a Febreze Fling, we got the dryer sheets 105. Let me put this right here for you. Purex liquid pods. These two you will mix and match. If you don't have this coupon, grab this and grab 2 packs of this and use one paper and one digital. A Flame, Moonlight Madness, original, and this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You might have to get one more of these. That'll make you have 9 if you don't have this coupon. Okay, if you don't have the coupon, get this and 2 bags of these. That should even you out. So after all of that, you should end up paying $6.75 out of pocket or $5.75 out of pocket. Okay, only using one digital if you have to take this one out. So let's get down to our second scenario in Family Dollar. Oh, I'm sorry guys, let me show you the coupons first. First, you're gonna always grab your 5 off 25 coupon. Okay, ends on November 1st. Then you're gonna do one Gang liquid fabric softener or the sheets. We got the Gang sheets. One Gang laundry detergent, one Gang Fling, one Gang Moonlight Madness, one Vicks Vapor $1.50 off one, but you might have to use another paper coupon. One Purex, one Arm & Hammer, or you can even do a Snuggle, but I did not do that deal, so that's why you didn't see me put it in here. Now let's go to the second deal. Okay, so here we go. We got the coupons that we're using today. Now you have to be very careful and listen to me, because if you don't, you're gonna mess this deal up. This is an at your risk deal, but it works because I did the deal separate, so I know all of the things work. Okay, so was I supposed to get that? I wasn't supposed to get this guy. I gotta put that back. Okay, so we use 2 of your Game Fling coupons for the game that expires on 11/7. So you're going to use 2 of those coupons, okay? This is an all paper deal. So you're going to grab 2 of these. These are legitimate. They work, okay? There you go. I got 2 Vicks Vapors, 2 of them. So you need 2 of these. 2. Okay, let's move that so you'll see what you got so far. So far you should have these 2, and these 4 coupons. 2 of these and 2 of these coupons. And then you should have Gillette. These, now listen. Three-pack hanging off the end. They are $1. These 3-packs are working on them though, so grab these right here. Grab 2 of them. Don't grab 5, 4, 5, and 6 because you're gonna look crazy. Then you want to get 2 dental lice at $1. And the only reason why I'm not going back to the other place is because it's crowded in here. I'm trying to get out of here. So you need 2 of these. With a dental life coupon. This is the dental life. Make sure you get 2 of these. Next, you need 1 of these. It's a digital coupon. I'm getting ready to show it to you right now. It's connecting to this one. This is the coupon that's connecting to it. This is the coupon. I know it's safe for account, but see that is what's connecting. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what's connecting, okay? This is how your haul should look. 1 digital, 2 dental life, 2 of these, 2 of these, and 2 of these. So you have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of these items. Please, I got one more thing I want you to get just in case you need it for over. Okay guys, so I was going to tell you that you needed something to make a filler. If not, add in some more stuff that you want. Grab a detergent, grab whatever you need to grab. But this deal worked. Everything in this cart I used. Every coupon I've used it. So don't be crazy. Grab what you need. And after that, you should be down to a negative. It's going to say you got -1 cent. That's why I'm telling you, you need to cover that. Cover that. Do not walk out of there with showing that you got a negative of nothing. They don't need to see that. Please don't. Okay? So guys, let's go to the front and let's see what else we're going to check out and get some things. Okay? Okay guys, so this is what we came out of Family Dollar today with, and that is 1 Purex, 2 game, 1 paper, 1 digital. This was a digital. 2 paper coupons I used, okay? Now, all of this, I never show you all my hauls. This was $6.15, which was fine because 1, 2, 3, baby, let me tell you something. I could either sell these by themselves, or I'm going to add some cheap, the $2 Game Freeze that I have been getting. I'm going to add those in it with that Purex. Baby, I could sell this for $15. Matter of fact, I'll sell it for $20. Because now that they finna lock us down, everybody trying to get in and get some stuff. I will sell this for $20, okay? Y'all about, let's learn how to do this together. Let's get it together. That's why I'm giving y'all these scenarios. Okay, now let me show you some coupons that's working. At one is that coupon I showed you for the Gillette. Let me get the other one out. See this Cetaphil? If you could find it, it's making it 49 cents. Of course, you know the Gillettes are working. You know that's working, right? You know those are giving you overage or bringing your price down or whatever. It's free. Make sure, guys, you go in. Don't get the talking crazy. That's why I told you to cover that deal with something. I mean, you know, we know what we doing. So, thanks, guys, for tuning in. Hey, hit like, subscribe if you want me to keep coming to you with these scenario videos and my Family Dollar haul that I did. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Bye.